Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PPHM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today was about as good as it gets in terms of price movement, and on top of that, check out the final 30 minutes. Again, each one of those represents 30 minutes. Final 30 minutes, volume came pouring back in. Price closed about as strong as possible. So good overall day any way you slice it. But that does bring up the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of kind of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that level is down here at 34 cents. Why is 34 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward, not go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 34 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it'll fall all the way down there, but let's just pretend, bounces around and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do. They progress in the upwards direction. Now, ideally speaking, if you're like, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hold up above 37, that would be, like I said, the level that would make it look the most powerful. But I'm not saying that 37 cents is a must-hold level or anything like that. That definitely belongs to 34 cents. Now for the fun stuff, though. Where are some potential battlegrounds at? So let's try to find some areas of potential resistance. For this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. Always a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into a chart's history. Actually, let's go to the daily time frame because we're going way back on the chart's history. There we go. So the price has not been up this high for quite a while. So let's see here. Oh, broke through that. So next key level, that overall up there at 42 cents. And then in case this big move continues, probably should map out one more. After 42 cents, next level up there at 45. So 42, 45, next two key battlegrounds. But at the end of the day, as long as the price starts putting in higher bases and higher lows, the long-term chart's going to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.